Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your learning with Khan Academy, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Khan Academy website at www.khanacademy.org. Create a free account by clicking on the sign up button. Choose whether to sign up with your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Fill in the necessary information if you are signing up with email. Once your account is created, log in to access the main dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout and available subjects. Use the search bar at the top to find specific courses or topics of interest. Click on a subject to view a list of available courses in that area. Select a course to begin your learning journey. Review the course structure, which typically includes videos, exercises, and quizzes. Start with the introductory videos to grasp basic concepts. Take notes as you watch to reinforce your understanding. After watching a video, complete the related exercises to test your knowledge. If you struggle with a concept, don't hesitate to re-watch the video or seek additional resources. Make use of the hints and explanations provided during exercises for better comprehension. Track your progress using the built-in progress bar and mastery metrics. Set aside dedicated time each week for consistent learning. Join the community forums to ask questions and share insights with other learners. Consider using the Khan Academy mobile app for learning on the go. Regularly revisit your learning goals and adjust them as you progress. Utilize the personalized learning dashboard to stay focused on areas that need improvement. Explore supplementary resources like articles and additional practice materials for deeper understanding. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the journey of lifelong learning with Khan Academy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.